Imagine if you could unlock the secret to better sleep, lower your stress in seconds, and soothe your aching muscles, all from a single plant. Sounds like magic, right? Well, this magic comes from an herb that has been revered for over 2,000 years. Lavender. Today I'm going to show you why this humble flower might just be the most powerful tool in your wellness arsenal. Lavender, with its vibrant purple blooms and soothing scent, isn't just a pretty flower. It's a powerhouse of wellness, steeped in centuries of tradition and modern science. Whether you're using it for relaxation, aromatherapy, or even as a natural remedy for common health problems, lavender has earned its place as one of the most versatile plants in history. But before we dive into its many uses, let's first understand what lavender really is. At its core, it's a flowering plant from the mint family, originating from the Mediterranean region. Its scientific name, Lavandula angustifolia, might sound complex, but its calming properties go far beyond its appearance. Lavender is an aromatic herb with rich green foliage and unmistakable purple flowers that have been cherished for their fragrance and healing powers for over 2,000 years. In fact, lavender's story goes back to ancient Egypt, where it was used for mummification and as a perfume. The Romans, too, were huge fans, using it in their baths to relax and rejuvenate. It wasn't just a luxury, it was a medicine, and it's still used today in various forms, from oils to teas, for its remarkable healing properties. Lavender's magic lies in its composition. The essential oil of lavender is rich in compounds like linalool and linalool acetate. These substances are what give lavender its calming and anti-inflammatory properties, and it's this combination that makes lavender so effective for both mental and physical wellness. But it's not just about its fragrance. Lavender's essential oils have been used for centuries in aromatherapy to reduce anxiety, improve sleep quality, and even lift your mood. Imagine the feeling of peace that washes over you the moment you breathe in lavender's soothing scent. That's why it's a staple in any aromatherapy routine. And the science behind it is fascinating. Research has shown that inhaling lavender oil can trigger a reduction in cortisol, your body's primary stress hormone. It works like magic on your nervous system, helping you wind down after a long day or even combat the stresses of a busy week. Now let's talk about lavender's most famous benefit, its ability to calm the mind. If you're feeling anxious, stressed, or having trouble sleeping, lavender could be your perfect remedy. Studies have shown that the aroma and compounds in lavender can help lower anxiety levels and improve sleep quality. But that's not all. Lavender is also known for its ability to soothe headaches, reduce muscle tension, and even support your digestive system. Its anti-inflammatory properties make it useful in treating skin conditions like eczema and acne. And if you're feeling under the weather, a cup of lavender tea can even help support your immune system. One of the easiest ways to experience lavender's incredible benefits: lavender tea. It's not only delicious, but it's a perfect way to bring a moment of calm into your busy day. Making lavender tea is simple, but the effects are profound. For the perfect cup, take about 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried lavender buds. Place them in a tea infuser or a tea ball and steep in hot water for about 5 to 10 minutes. The longer you let it steep, the more intense the flavor and calming benefits. The aroma is the first thing you'll notice, and it's exactly what you need to start unwinding. You can even add a little honey for sweetness or lemon for a fresh, bright twist. You can also mix lavender with other herbs like chamomile or peppermint for a more complex and soothing blend. But lavender doesn't just relax your mind, it's a healer in more ways than one. From soothing headaches and easing muscle tension to aiding digestion and improving skin health, lavender is your go-to herb for a range of health concerns. It's like having a mini wellness retreat in a cup. And here's something most people don't know: lavender isn't just for humans. You can also use it to create a peaceful atmosphere in your home. Placing a few lavender sprigs by your pillow or in your closet can help ward off pests and keep your surroundings calm and serene. Lavender truly is one of nature's most versatile and powerful plants. Whether you're sipping it in tea, breathing it in through essential oils, or applying it in a skincare routine, it brings benefits you can feel right away. If you've never tried it before, I highly recommend adding it to your herbal repertoire. So the next time you're feeling stressed, anxious, or just need a little self-care, reach for lavender. It's a simple, natural way to find peace and healing. And if you haven't yet, give lavender tea a try. Your body and mind will thank you. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights. Until next time, stay calm, stay healthy, and keep exploring the world of herbs.